In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a photography brochure with payments in HoneyBook. This is a fantastic way to streamline your interactions with clients, making it easy for them not only to understand your offerings, but also to make payments directly. Let's dive into it. To get started, from your HoneyBook homepage, locate the area where you can create new content. You'll want to click on New, then select Smart File. This is the foundation upon which you'll build your brochure. Whether you're creating something entirely unique or using a pre-existing design, you have the flexibility, so choose between start from scratch or using a template. If you already have a vision in mind, starting from scratch will give you the freedom to tailor every detail. However, a template can provide a helpful structure if you're aiming for efficiency. Once you've made your choice, it's time to personalize your brochure. Add your unique touch by incorporating your logo, some striking photos, and an engaging introduction text. This is your opportunity to capture your brand's essence and convey who you are to potential clients right from the onset. Having set the tone with your branding, the next step is to lay out your offerings. Click on plus add block and select package. This feature enables you to list your photography packages along with their corresponding prices. Be clear and concise here. You want your clients to quickly understand the value they receive with each package. Something important not to miss is to enable the option Allow clients to select packages. By doing this, prospective clients have the convenience of choosing the package that best suits their needs directly within the brochure. This interaction not only makes their life easier, but also helps reduce back and forth communications. An integral part of closing any deal is securing the payment, so add a payment block within your brochure. This will facilitate seamless transactions, allowing clients to pay you directly. The secure and straightforward payment process can significantly enhance the client experience. Optionally, consider adding a contract block if you want an area dedicated to signatures. This step can further solidify the commitment between you and your client by having all necessary documentation in one place, easily accessible and within reach. And before you finalize everything, it's wise to walk through your creation as if you were a client. Click on preview to ensure everything looks just the way you want it to. Once satisfied with how it all comes together and the functionalities are verified, the final step is to click save followed by share. You'll then send your brochure directly to clients or copy the link to distribute it wherever it's needed. This method of constructing a photography brochure in HoneyBook, complete with payment capabilities, not only exhibits professionalism but also enhances the ease of doing business with you. Thanks for joining. I hope you found this process as seamless and beneficial as it is intended to be.